In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clear and useful tech spec in Notion. We'll go through the process in a practical, easy to follow way so you can build a document that helps your team stay aligned from the beginning of a project all the way through implementation. Start by creating a new Notion page for your tech spec. This gives you a dedicated space to organize all the important information in one place. Keeping everything in a single document makes it much easier for teammates to review the plan, leave feedback, and refer back to decisions later. Once the page is ready, add the feature name or project title at the top. Make sure the title is specific and instantly recognizable. A clear title helps everyone understand what the document is about without needing extra explanation, especially when your workspace contains many projects and planning documents. Next, write the problem, goal, and background. This section sets the context for the entire tech spec. Explain what issue you're trying to solve, what success looks like, and any important background details that led to this work. This is a valuable part of the document because it helps technical and non-technical stakeholders understand why the project matters and what the team is aiming to achieve. After that, add the technical requirements and expected behavior. Describe what the system needs to do and how it should behave under normal conditions. Be as clear as possible so there's less room for confusion during development. This is where alignment becomes especially important because strong requirements reduce rework and help everyone move faster. From there, include system design, API details, database notes, or user flows, depending on what applies to the project. This section helps translate the idea into implementation details. You can use diagrams, short descriptions, or structured notes to explain how different parts of the system connect. The goal is to give engineers and collaborators enough technical clarity to understand the approach. Then add owners, deadlines, and related tasks. Identify who is responsible for the work, when key milestones should be reached, and what related items need to be tracked. This makes the tech spec not just informative, but actionable. It also helps create accountability and keeps execution connected to planning. Once the document is in good shape, share the tech spec with your team. Invite feedback early so questions, risks, and missing details can be addressed before implementation moves too far ahead. Collaboration at this stage often prevents larger issues later. Finally, update the document as decisions change. A tech spec should stay current throughout the project. If priorities shift or implementation details change, revise the document so it continues to reflect the latest plan. That way, your tech spec remains a reliable source of truth for the whole team.